Hello and welcome to Whitelock lesson number 35, and we are going to review the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we already did this last week and the week before, so we're just going to go over this really quickly. And by that I mean I just want to just speed run all these questions. Well, not all of them. Let's exclude a few so we don't waste time. Let me do the first three. How about that? And then we can go into this and kind of suffer through it. Oh, there's no page 4. Page 5. We have 4 pages. Okay. 4 squared plus b squared equals 5 squared, which is 16 plus b squared equals 25. So b squared would equal 9, so b equals 3. Okay, 8 squared plus b squared equals 17 squared, so 64 plus b squared equals 289. So b squared equals 225, and 225 would equal, if you square root it, will be 15. Okay, for this one, they did not give you a, so it will be a squared plus 21 squared equals 29 squared. Right? So a squared plus 441 equals 841. So a squared equals 400, right? So a would equal 20. Now that that's out of the way, I'm assuming that they want us to simplify or find the variables. They don't tell us, which is on the person who made this. So minus b over 8b plus 6u minus 3b over 8b. We can simplify this, right? We can simplify this to 5b since we can add the same factors together. Let's see. I'm assuming that we need to simplify. It has to be simplifying because, like, there's something else. Okay. U minus b over 5b plus 6u. You can times that by 8b. That would be equal to 8vu, and then minus that by 8b squared over 5b plus 6u. Sorry about that. We can simplify this by doing 8vu minus 8v squared. Multiply that by 5v plus 6u. Damn, okay. If this is gonna be like this entire way down, I don't think we can just skip a bunch of these. It's gonna take time. And this has to be under 9 minutes. Like not 5 minutes. Let's just do that. Review. So we're going to FOIL, which you guys have already covered before. 40 u squared u minus 40 v cubed, then plus 48 vu squared minus 48 uv squared. So this very long one, I'm showing. Okay, we can simplify this even further. Oh god, okay. v squared. So we can simplify these. We can just add the like terms together. So 40 minus 48. So that'd be negative 8u v squared minus 40 v cubed plus 48 vu squared. That's the final simplification thingy. There we go. I'm just gonna start erasing all this so I have more space. The way I'm going through this, I don't think we're gonna get through this quick enough. Why am I so tired today? Okay, m minus 3n over 6m 3n minus m plus 3n 6m 3n. Okay, then we're going to multiply this by 6m 3n. Let's cancel that out. We would get 6m4 and subtract that by negative 18m3 n squared, and then we multiply this, so that would be negative 6m4n and plus that by 18m3n squared. Okay. That looks very familiar. Okay. How about we do it like this? 6m4n minus 18m3n squared. 1. Okay. Now multiply that by 1 over negative 6 and 4n plus 18 and 3n squared. And if we cancel that out, we will just get negative 1 here. So that all equals negative 1. And this is going to take some time. And then that 24 over negative 5x squared plus 5x. 24 times negative 5x squared plus 5x. Negative 120 x squared plus 120x. And that's how far we can go, because we can't, there's no like terms in that, so we can't really combine like terms in that one anyways. So that's it. Three over x plus 7 plus 4 x minus 8. Then we can also multiply that. Then we multiply this. 12x squared minus 96 x plus 84 x minus 672. So 12x squared minus 96x. Okay, we can simplify this. That's what we got for the last one. We can simplify these. 96 plus 84. Simplified for about this. Minus 56. 7, 8. So x plus 7, x minus 8. X equals negative 7 and 8 and 0. Okay. Yeah, I think that's around 5 minutes. So the strategy for these type of questions is to basically multiply the bottom to the top, and then multiplying the second bottom to the top if you need to.